Hello guys, you're welcome back to my channel. Guys, today video will be a live demo since a lot of you have been requesting for it. So I'm going to make a live demo on how you can convert your NGN to Naira and how you can make profit with your little capital. Okay, so please, if it's your first time of coming to my channel, my name is Kingsley. Guys, I make videos on how to make money online on the crypto space. So if this content adds value to you, please don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and also share to your friends. So without further ado guys, let's head into today's video. Now, like I earlier told you, before you execute any trade on Binance, you must compare the two market price, which are, first you click down here, you click on trade. Okay, so before you initiate any trading, compare the two market price so that you won't be at loss. Now, what are the market price? The market price is the current market price and the P2P. Now you see that the current market price here is 1055 naira 5 kobo, but however the price here is not always stable. It's not stable. Okay, but however, let's consider this as the current market price. Now compared to the P2P price to make sure that you won't be at loss after your conversion. Okay, so now let's know what the P2P is selling at. Okay, so guys, now the market price here is 1055 naira 5 kobo. Meanwhile, let's click on the P2P and see what the P2P market is selling at. So before you compare the price difference, okay, filter to get the amount in which you want to sell or buy rather. Okay, so let's say we are starting with a capital of 50,000. So you filter 50,000, okay, and click on the sell button. Now you see that in the P2P market here, $1 is selling at 1097 naira 18 kobo, meaning even if you are buying on the market side, we will still be at profit. Okay, we will still be making profit despite the amount we bought. Okay, so now let's go back to the market interface. Now this is the market interface. So like I told you guys earlier, before you execute any trade, ensure you must have make your deposit of NGN. Okay, you must have buy your NGN, which is Nigeria Naira. Okay, so if I should click on wallet, you will see right here that I have 51,834 naira, okay, in my NGN wallet. Okay, now please stick close to the end of the video so you don't miss any part, guys. And if you are finding any value on this video, please do it to leave a like, subscribe, and share to your friend. Like I told you, this is a live demo. Okay, so I made a deposit of 51,834 naira. Okay, it could have been 52,000 naira in equivalent, but some little charges was deducted again, but that doesn't matter. We are still going to be making profit. Okay, so with that being said, guys, having deposited this amount of money, like I told you guys, you can start with 40,000, 50,000, depends on your amount. The higher your capital, the higher profit you make here. Okay, so please, before you initiate any trading here, if you don't know how to do it, message me on WhatsApp, or you can check out the link on the video description to get in touch with me on WhatsApp. I will mentor you and teach you how to do this yourself. Okay, so having deposited this amount of money, or whichever amount, like I already showed you guys already how to deposit on my previous videos, so you can still go and check my previous video out. If you don't know how to deposit, I've made a video about that. And if you don't know how to deposit, you feel like you want a one-on-one conversation, you can do it to reach me out on WhatsApp. Okay, so guys, now we have 51,800. Okay, Now let's click on trade. Okay, you will see that our NGN, our Nigerian Naira, is already here on the trade section. Okay, now how do you convert? Please always look at this market price. Sometimes it goes up and it goes down. Please always look at the market price before you initiate any trade. Okay, now how do you convert this coin, this NGN to USDT? First, you must have pair with the asset you want to convert with. Now let's say you want to pair with any asset. You have to click here. Okay, you search for USDT, or you search for NGN slash USDT. Okay, slash USDT. Now the pair with USDT slash NGN would appear here. So you click on it. Now once you click on it, okay, now once you click on it, you will see that the current market price of USDT is going down a bit. Now you click on this down arrow button, you change it to market, you click it again and leave it at limit, so that this current price would be at the limit order. Okay, so now for you to convert your NGN to USDT, you see this box, you drag it from this end to this end, or however you can manually enter the amount of NGN that you want to convert here. Now let's say we have 51, we have 51,834.25. Sorry, 25. Okay guys, so you see we'll be getting 49.5 USD. Okay, but if you don't want to use this method, you can just drag this box from this end to this end. Okay, now you see that we'll be getting 49.5 USDT. Okay, now you click on buy USD. Now once you click on buy USD, your NGN would automatically be converted to USD. Okay, so you click on buy USD. All right, now our order is now on process. Once the price of USD goes down to -1, like let me say it goes down to 1,045 naira.4, our trade would execute immediately. Okay, so once the trade executes, we will now have USDT instead of NGN. Okay. Okay guys, so as you can see now, our trade has executed successfully. All right, so when we click on wallet, you will see that we now have 49.4505 USDT. Okay, so now this is our available balance of USDT. Now if you see now, you will see that we no longer have any money on NGN. This is just 82 naira left. Okay, now we now have 49.45 USDT. Okay, now how do you sell your USDT in order to make profit? Is to go to your trade and click on the P2P section. Okay, so let's click on P2P. So I hope you guys remember the price we bought and the price we are about to sell, I hope you guys remember our initial capital of how much we had. Now, so let's click on sell and click on the filter button to filter the exact amount that we want, 50,000. So let's click on sell. I'll click on all. So now sorry guys, so you click on sell USDT. Alright, so now I'm going to receive 54,446 naira on my Access Bank account. Okay, so let's give it a time and see. So let's give it a bit time and wait for this merchant to pay us this amount before we will release our asset to him. Okay, this is the time frame in which the merchant would pay us. So if this time frame elapsed and the merchant didn't pay within the specific time frame, so you can cancel the trade. Okay, so now the merchant has messaged us, so let's click on the message. Okay, now you can see now we have been credited. Okay, as you can see now, the merchant has credited us with 54,446 naira. Okay, so now you can now release your asset to this merchant after confirming your payment. Okay, so how do you release the asset to the merchant? Ensure you must have confirmed that this money has gotten to your account before releasing the asset. Okay, so let me go to my Access Bank account and confirm to ensure that this money was actually sent to my Access Bank account. Alright guys, so you can now see it. The money was actually sent and we have received it successfully. 54,446 naira. Now, so let's go and release the asset to this merchant. So now, this is how to release the asset to the merchant. Okay, just click on payment receive. Okay, so once you click on payment received, now Binance would ask you if you have received the payment truly from this merchant. Now you click on I have received and verified the payment. Okay, now you click on confirm release. Now a verification code will be sent to you to enable the release of your coin to the merchant. So just simply go to your Gmail account. So just simply go to your Gmail account and get the code sent to you by Binance. Okay, the code has been sent. So now this is the code 03387 01287. So we have released the asset to the merchant. Okay, now let's check how much profit do we make. So let's go straight to our calculator. Okay guys, so let's minus our profit to the initial capital. Let's see how much we made. So we got 54,400 and we got 54,446 naira. 54,446 naira minus our initial capital was 51,834 naira. So guys, now we made about sorry now we made about 2,612 naira, and you can do this multiple times. It's unlimited arbitrage. Now let's say you do this, go 2,000. So we got 2,000. So we got 2,612 naira as profit. Now let's say you do this 10 times in a day. So you are making a whopping amount of 26,120 naira. So let's say if you are able to do this 30 times in a day, that means you'll be making a whopping amount of 78,360 naira. So guys, if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, subscribe, and also turn on your notification bell so that when I drop a video like this, you'll be the first to be notified. See you on my next video. Bye.